Hello everyone, grab your MyView Literacy Book 1.4 and open it to page 146 and 147. We are beginning week 4 in our book. Our weekly question is, why is it important to learn about our country's past? On today's page we have a poem. What is America? America is the land of the free. America is the people I see. America is the country I roam. America is the place I call home. When you interact with the text, you read and respond to it in a way that helps you understand it. Interact with this text by drawing what America is to you. I'm going to reread the poem so I can think about it again. What is America? America is the land of the free. America is the people I see. America is the country I roam. America is the place I call home. Now I'm going to draw a picture to represent America the way I think of it. Well, in America, we have schools and they're free and everyone gets to go there. So I'm going to draw a school, Eastwood. Eastwood has pillars. It has a front door behind the pillars. I'm going to draw the door like back here. There's windows over here. Eastwood School. America is where I live, so I'm going to draw a house because it's my home. Need a door. Need some windows. I'm going to draw a chimney with maybe some smoke coming out because that makes me feel cozy. And I'm going to draw an eagle because that represents freedom. Let's see, I need wings. And a body, a tail. He needs a beak, and an eye. Should have feet, like he's diving. And I need to color him in because we have bald eagles. So I'm going to leave his head white. I'm going to color the rest of him. I'm pretty sure they have white tails. I'm going to color in the rest of him. There we go, one eagle. Now turn in your book to page 158 and 159. I can read about people who have made history. Informational text. Informational text has supporting evidence or details that tell about a main or central idea. It can have features such as labels. Remember, a label is a word with an arrow pointing to something. Torch. The Statue of Liberty is a symbol of freedom. It welcomes people from other countries who want to start a new life in America. Our main idea is the Statue of Liberty is a symbol of freedom, and our details that talk about it is it welcomes people from other countries who want to start a new life in America. Informational text anchor chart. It has a main idea, like the Statue of Liberty, and then it has details like she has a torch, she has a crown, she's holding something. Now listen to this informational text. It's called The First Thanksgiving. When the first settlers came to America, they found a strange wild land. There were no food stores. The friendly Wampanoag Indians helped the settlers. The settlers learned how to grow corn, beans, squash, and other foods from the Indians. If it had not been for the Indians, the settlers may not have survived. As a thank you, the settlers invited the Wampanoag Indians to an autumn celebration. That was back in November 1621. The settlers gave thanks for all they had learned and all they had to eat. We celebrate that same feast, Thanksgiving, every November. Did it have a main idea? Sure did. What was that main idea? The first Thanksgiving. It was the title. All of the details told us about the first Thanksgiving. We were told who the Indians were and what the Pilgrims did to thank them. Now listen to another one. This one's called A Big Feast. Your Thanksgiving dinner probably looks a lot different from the first Thanksgiving meal. During that first Thanksgiving, turkey may not have been the main course. Fish was probably on the menu though. There were no pumpkin pies, but they did eat pumpkins. We still celebrate a big feast in November every year. Our Thanksgiving, though, doesn't look much like that very first dinner. The big feast has details about what? You're right, it's about Thanksgiving, but what part of Thanksgiving? The food! This one was all about the food on Thanksgiving. I heard them talk about pumpkin pie and turkey, but they also compared it to what they had at the first Thanksgiving, which was that they still ate pumpkins, but they also ate fish. I don't usually eat fish at my Thanksgiving. Do you? So an informational text is going to have a main idea and also details, and you can ask questions and maybe it'll answer it. Just like I was wondering if you eat fish at your Thanksgiving, but I could have wondered what the people in the first Thanksgiving ate. Then my text would have answered it. So some questions you ask, the text might answer, and other ones you might have to find out on your own. Thanks for reading with me. See you tomorrow.